The unique tourist complex Karavansaray Turkistan became one of the key points of the program of joint visit to the facilities in Turkestan by the national leader of the Turkmen people, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, and President of Kazakhstan Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. Here, the chairman of the Halk Maslahaty of Turkmenistan was familiarized with the infrastructure and opportunities of this large-scale project, which has become a new visiting card of the city. Karavansaray Turkistan is the largest tourist complex in Central Asia, which was opened in 2021. It is located 10 minutes from the mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi and is designed in oriental style, reminiscent of the times of the Great Silk Road. The complex includes shopping streets with boutiques and restaurants, hotels, a spa center, a cinema, an amphitheatre for horse shows, and a unique flying theater that introduces the history of Kazakhstan. A water canal allows boat trips around the area. Karavansaray Turkistan is a significant center of attraction for tourists and an important investment project of the region.